OFS is a comprehensive software solution for the field service enterprise. It combines two solutions for two different needs. OFS Pro, which provides tools for business intelligence gathering and reporting on data collected by field personnel, and OFS Field. Created with user-friendliness in mind, OFS Field allows you to capture important data through an easy step-by-step process and to generate reports and documents while out in the field. What's more, OFS Field is functional even with intermittent access to the internet. In this video, you will learn how to get started with OFS Field. From the main window, click on Create New to create a new work order. Next, you have three options. Select the type of job you wish to perform from the Job Type window, retrieve a previously saved work order, or copy a work order assigned to you from the OFS Pro database. Choose a job type from the grid to start creating a new work order. From this point on, you can return to a previous step by clicking the back arrow located in the upper left corner of the screen. At any point, you can terminate the process without saving the work order by clicking the Cancel button. Otherwise, upon completing each step, click on the next button to continue. Enter the work date and time. Note that these may be subject to some restrictions depending on the job type you've selected. Select the customer from the grid. If you belong to the management or administrator groups, you can create a new customer via the link located in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. Next, select the job location from the grid. Again, if you belong to the management or administrator groups, you can create a new job location via the link located in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. If applicable, select the job which the work order should be associated with. If you belong to the management or administrator groups, you can create a new job for the relevant customer by clicking the link located in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Additional order information can be filled in this window. Again, the information displayed will depend on the job type and customizations previously specified. In this window, select the desired crew members by ticking their appropriate checkboxes. Depending on the job type, a pop-up message may appear in the lower right-hand corner of your window, indicating that specific certifications are needed for this work order. Tick the checkbox Show All Employees to see all available employees within the database. Click the Add Crew button to add a previously designated group of employees. From this point on, you can save the work order for completion at a later time. To do so, click the Save for Later button located in the lower left-hand portion of the screen. In this window, select the equipment used in the job by ticking the relevant checkboxes. Tick the checkbox Show All Assets to see all available assets in the database. Click the Add Group button to add a previously configured group of assets. Note that later on in this process, you can go back to a specific window you have already modified by right-clicking the arrow located in the upper left-hand portion of the screen and then select the window you wish to return to. If you wish to continue the process, complete all the information in this window related to the safety meeting, such as attendance, safety meeting notes, recommendations, actions taken by the supervisor, the name of the person who conducted the meeting, and the supervisor. In the next window, complete all the information related to job safety analysis, such as sequence of job steps, attendance, and checklist. Optionally, you can also include an emergency number and the name of the supervisor, as well as any desired comments. In the following window, the inspection checklist can be viewed or modified by double-clicking on it. Note that this checklist must be completed before the work order can be finalized. The subsequent window contains a summary of the asset's activities that occurred during the job. Operation details can be added, edited, duplicated, and deleted. In the next window, input on location, off location, location hours, and travel hours for the employees assigned to the work order. Note that in the window that follows, equipment usage will only be displayed if the Asset Hours tab has been enabled in the Service Types module of the Customization menu. In this window, input operator, location, and travel hours for the assets assigned to the work order. The subsequent window, Maintenance Events, will allow you to add, edit, and delete asset maintenance records. In the Services Performed window, field ticket information can be added, deleted, and edited. When a new work order is created, Services Performed is automatically filled in with information drawn from the job type field ticket template based upon the job type chosen. In case of an incident reports can be added, edited, and deleted in the subsequent window. The next window allows you to include notes in plain text, scanned copies of documents, and any other necessary files. The Supervisor Signature window allows the job supervisor to view and print documents associated with the work order. The Supervisor's signature serves to enable the supervisor to check off on the accuracy of reports generated from the work order. In the section located below the signature space, the supervisor can indicate if the work order was completed within the indicated time frame by choosing Yes. Otherwise, the supervisor can select the reasons why the work order was not completed on time by choosing No and ticking the appropriate option or options from the drop-down list that will become available after choosing No. Reports from the work order can be printed individually by clicking the Print button and then specifying the desired configurations. Alternatively, to print all work order reports as one compiled document, click the Print All button to export them as a single PDF document. The Customer Signature window allows you to obtain a performance evaluation from your customer and to include comments. The customer can sign off on the accuracy of the reports generated by the work order or receive an emailed copy to be signed at a later time. From this window, reports can either be printed individually or compiled into one single document. To finalize, click the Finish and Print button to submit the work order to the office. A confirmation pop-up message will then appear. If you are sure the work order is ready for invoicing, click OK. The report will automatically open as a printable PDF file, and you will be returned to the OFS Field home screen. Rather than creating a work order from scratch, you can also import one from your device. To do so, when working offline, click the Retrieve from Disk button located in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. In the pop-up window that appears, select the previously saved work order that you want to retrieve and click Open. Alternatively, click the Copy a Previous Work Order button to select a work order from the OFS Pro database. To finish a work order assigned to you by the office, click the Finish button. In this window, you can retrieve work orders from your device by clicking the Retrieve from Disk button. You can also save the work order on your device by clicking the Save to Disk button. Otherwise, select the work order that you wish to complete from the grid and click Next. Then follow all the steps explained previously in order to complete the process. Finally, click the Synchronize button. Note that for this button to function correctly, you must have internet access. After synchronizing, the work order will be sent back to the office from the field, and the managers assigned to it through the approval workflow will be alerted so they can approve the work order in OFS Pro. Congratulations! You are now ready to use OFS Field. For more useful articles and instructional videos, visit us on YouTube or log on to help.ofspro.com.